Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sushma Sarila, consulting homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. What are the symptoms of adrenal PCOS? We will be discussing adrenal PCOS along with the normal PCOS symptoms so that you can, catch up on how different both of them are. Just for a glimpse, I can tell you that adrenal PCOS and normal PCOS are not so different from each other. The symptomatology of adrenal PCOS and normal PCOS is not that different. There are very minor changes in both of them. So let us know deeply about that. So in adrenal PCOS, you will be experiencing a lot of prolonged periods, whereas in PCOS the periods can be prolonged, but in very lesser amount of people you will be seeing prolonged periods. You will be seeing scanty, and also you will be seeing delayed and irregular periods, whereas in adrenal PCOS you will be seeing irregular and prolonged period. Okay, and even sometimes prolonged cycle, which means late period also. And then in normal PCOS, we'll be experiencing mood swing, which is not so common in adrenal PCOS. Here in normal PCOS, you can experience insulin resistance really faster and also obesity really faster, whereas in adrenal PCOS, it runs as a chronic form and it takes years for that to develop. In normal PCOS, you do not see a lot of sleep apnea, whereas in adrenal PCOS, we do see sleep apnea as a common feature. And in PCOS, you do have dysmenorrhea, which is painful menstruation, but compared to the pain scale of adrenal PCOS and normal PCOS, the adrenal PCOS pain scale is really high, and the amount of pain that the person experiences is too much. It's overwhelming. Okay, and also the bleeding is sometimes too much without any causation in the uterus or in the ovaries or anywhere in the female reproductive organ as such, right? And if you see a PCOS patient, you should be having any of the three in the pie category, which is polycystic ovaries, it can be irregular menses, or it can be hyperandrogenism. But if you see adrenal PCOS, you may or may not find polycystic ovaries. You can find polycystic ovaries in people who are suffering from chronic stress for a longer period of time, but whenever it is in the starting stage, usually most of the people do not represent with polycystic ovaries. They only represent with irregular periods and hyperandrogenism. Because they satisfy two of the pie category, they are called as a subset of PCOS. You understand it, right? And then what is the most common feature of adrenal PCOS that is not that likely in PCOS is the fatigue. Even though you're doing some sort of work, or even though you're just lifting your pen and keeping it somewhere else in some other room also, you just feel so overwhelmingly weak without any sustained cause. The reason behind it is because of a lot of cortisol hormone being released. Okay, so these are the symptoms of the adrenal PCOS when we are comparing it to normal PCOS. If you're someone who's suffering from PCOS or any other female reproductive organ diseases, Fidicus Homeopathy is the answer. Here we have two kinds of consultation options. One is online and the one is offline or in-person consultation. If you're someone who's staying away from us or far away from us, you can contact us online either through audio consultation option or through the video consultation option. And if you're someone who's staying nearby the nearest branch of Fidicus, you can contact us in person after the doctor consultation and the investigations after being verified, and then after taking case, especially to the online clients, medicines will be door delivered to you. If you're staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 business days, USA 3 to 5 business days, across the globe, anywhere it can take 4 to 8 business days for our medicines to reach your doorstep. If you would like to get in touch with us, you can call us on this number, WhatsApp us or message us. And if you would like to know more about Fidicus Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fidicus.com. Here we have discussed why homeopathy is the best choice for PCOS or any lifestyle disorders as such. Here we will be discussing how Fidicus Homeopathy is the best choice of your clinic. See, Fidicus Homeopathy stands on principles. It stands on highest chance of health. Here, we are experiencing high success rate in people who have already suffered with PCOS, PCOD, endometriosis, adenomyosis, bulky uterus, fibroids, dysmenorrhea, and other female reproductive organ diseases. And second thing is that the treatment that we give here is transparent. That is, there is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. The prognosis will be clearly explained to you. And the third thing is the personal care. Here at Fidicus Homeopathy is top notch because we will be answering all of your queries and your questions, and we'll be busting all your myths. We will be educating you on your condition, on what to eat, what to not eat, what to do with the condition. So if you want to choose cure, if you want to choose health, choose Fidicus Homeopathy. Thank you.